Hi, I'm Molly with Furnish by Shoreline. Our mission is to bring creative ideas to life. Each Shoreline client will be guided through a creative process with a series of in-person design appointments. Each meeting builds on the next and helps us understand the overall vision of your home. Once we have a clear understanding of the design direction, our team goes to work making selections for all the interior finishes of your home. Let's take a deeper look into each important phase of our design process. The first step is meeting with a potential client for the design consultation. Our educated design team is able to create allowances for the finishes of your home based on your preferences. Some of the questions discussed at the meeting are reclaimed wood flooring versus engineered wood flooring, types of countertop material, lighting style and locations, interior trim details, and tile preferences. Once construction is underway, our design team meets with you for your style consultation. This is a deep dive into the aesthetic preferences to define your personal style. After the style consultation, our design team creates a mood board for your home. The mood board is a snapshot over the overall design direction of your new home. Once the mood board is approved, our design team gets to work making selections for your complete home. The next appointment together is our big design presentation day. This is a highlight of our design process. Our clients can see all the selections of their new home at one time and are able to visualize the space the design selections all come together. We also provide full interior design services to our clients. This appointment includes furniture and fabric samples, space planning with furniture layouts, drapery fabric samples, and locations and full specifications along with pricing for each selection. Our clients can touch and feel the interior finishes of their home as well as the furnishings and how well the full vision of the home comes together. Our professional design teams bring creative ideas to life while eliminating stress points of decisions, budget concerns, and communication issues. Our approach is thorough and transparent, allowing for a smooth execution and an enjoyable experience. Reveal Day is the exciting last step of your design process with us. This is the moment when you see your fully completed space for the first time. We call this our Day One celebration. It is the first day in your new home, and it's worth celebrating all the hard work, dedication, and decisions it took to get there. Thanks for following along and allowing me to share our design process with you. If you have any design questions or would like to know more about our process, please reach out to us. We would love to hear from you.